Yeah, when we put down the mast in Le Havre, I discovered that our wire of the Forestay was broken. So we need to change this.
When we traveled along the French channels, my parents decided to join us along the way in their camper. And my father's help in repairing the Forestay was also very welcome. The challenging part was to remove the wire rope from the base of the roller furling drum.
So. Okay. Das bringt. Herzst du das? Ja, schon. Nein.
Finally we managed to get the split pin out of the terminal. Since this part was assembled many years ago and secured with some thread lock adhesive, I really worried if we could disassemble it without damaging it, because replacement parts would not be cheap. Assembling the Forestay took place in Port Napoleon, France. I ordered a new wire rope, cut it to the appropriate length and put all the parts together again.
Why are you destroying it?
Damit ich diesen Stift montieren kann.
You need another screwdriver.
Super. Diese mal oben. So, das soll...
Schau mal, es schneit. Was wollen wir?
It's like you're making a lightsaber.
Das sagst du. Und jetzt ist das ein Sitz, aber du siehst, jetzt hast du gesagt, wer bist du?
Du weißt blind durch.
Dein Handy.
Dann muss ich...
Aber
Arthur, bitte halten.
Oh, das tut so, das ist super schwer.
Ja, das ist...
The younglings using it.
Weil, first youngling.
The final step was to put some grease on the roller bearings, and then it was good to go again. But before we could put back the mast, there was a lot more work to do. We will tell you more about this on the next episode. Please don't forget to give us a like. Until then, Servus!